Hi, everyone. It's Professor Monty here. Let's talk about the complement properties of probability. So the probabilities of not. Well, as you can see, I said the complement of event E means that E does not happen. So we can either write that as not E, or we can write that as E prime, or E with the C, meaning E complement. Any of these can be used to say E does not happen. Okay, you already know this probability rule, you just may not know it. Because if I said to you, there's a 70% chance of rain today, what's the chance that it's not going to rain? Almost everybody would say, oh, that's a 30% chance. And so think about what we did. The probability of not rain is 100% minus the probability that it does rain. Okay, so think about that. So essentially, you said, oh, it's 100% minus 70%, which was 30%. In terms of probability, this is really a percentage, not a probability. Probability, we'd write this as either 0.3 or 0.30. I'll just leave it as 0.3. 100% is just 1 minus 0.7. And that's actually the formula for probability of not something happening. So we would say, oh, the probability of not rain is 1 minus the probability of rain. And that's actually our formula. So for anything we want to. So the probability not A is going to be 1 minus the probability of A. Whatever A is. So we already know this property. We can even write it the other way. We could say, probability of A is equal to 1 minus the probability of not A. So either of those ways could be written as the complementation or the complement properties. All right, let me show you another quick example. So say we have 10 marbles, and we'll decide what colors these marbles are. So let's say something like this. Example, 10 marbles. It's not a very good 10, let's rewrite that. 10 marbles. And let's say 5 are red, 3 are blue, 1 is green, and 1 is yellow. And let's say we want the probability that the marble we pick is not blue. Well, we could add up all the other colors, or we could just say, oh, that's 1 minus the probability that it's blue. 1 minus, well, that's the F over N rule. There's 3 blues out of the 10 marbles. So the probability that it's blue is 3 out of 10. Well, 1 minus 0.3, that's 0.7. And it's actually as simple as that to find the probability of a complement. It's just 1 minus the probability that it does. All right, hope that's helpful. Go ahead and click on like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'm just going to make more videos. Hopefully we can just all learn this together. All right, best of luck to you.